Today we are going to start the first class of our physiology. Before starting class, please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram for notes. Now coming to this, from today we are going to start our physiology class, and from today's class we will start the concept of blood in physiology. We will start the concept of blood in physiology. In the concept of blood, we will discuss about the properties of blood. Next, composition of blood, functions of blood. What I am discussing in this class is very important for the concept of blood in the exam point of view, and I will prepare the notes in the exam point of view, and I will tell each and every point, and I will also tell you how to write or how to apply the answer in the examination. Understood? Yeah, okay. These three are the concepts from the blood. Next, properties of plasma proteins, functions of plasma proteins. Next, erythropoiesis, entire concept of erythropoiesis. I will discuss whole chapter of this erythropoiesis because this erythropoiesis chapter is very important in the exam point of view, as they will ask for site of erythropoiesis or process of erythropoiesis or factors necessary for erythropoiesis. This erythropoiesis chapter is important either for 5 marks or 15 marks. 15 marks they will ask for the entire concept of this erythropoiesis, and for 5 marks they will ask for factors or site of erythropoiesis or process of erythropoiesis. Next, functions of hemoglobin. Next concept is functions of hemoglobin and abnormalities of hemoglobin. Functions of hemoglobin, abnormalities of hemoglobin, or synthesis of hemoglobin. These three concepts are important for 5 marks question. Next, we will discuss about the anemia. Anemia entire chapter we will discuss about this entire chapter because it is important for 15 marks as well as for 5 marks. Next chapter is leukemia, white blood cells, leukopoiesis. Next chapter is leukopoiesis. That means the process of this leukopoiesis, we will discuss about it. Next, coming to the big chapter, immunity. In this chapter, it is important for 5 marks mostly, and then for sometimes they will ask for 15 marks also. Immunity, immunization, as well as some concepts that is related to this immune system. Next, coming to the functions of platelets, very important for 5 marks. Functions of platelets, important for 5 marks. Next thing is hemostasis, important for 5 marks. Hemostasis important for 5 marks. Next one is coagulation of blood. Next, the process of fibrinolysis. Next, the concept is blood groups. Blood groups, important for 5 marks question. Next, functions of reticuloendothelial system. Functions of reticuloendothelial system. Next concept is functions of spleen. Functions of spleen. These are the important concepts that relate to this blood. Next, all these, from these, the most important is properties of blood, composition of blood, and functions of blood. In this chapter, in the concept of blood, all the functions, that means the functions of blood, functions of platelets, functions of plasma proteins, functions of this reticuloendothelial system, functions of blood groups, functions of spleen, all the functions are very important for 5 marks question. So we should be very careful with those functions. And from tomorrow we will start the class. For today, this is about the important concepts of the blood that belongs to this physiology, and in the class I will try to prepare in the form of flowchart. That means flowchart formula నేను ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను, because the flowcharts are very important in the physiology in the point of examination. They will consider or they will give more marks for the flowchart, as the physiology is the functions of our body. Okay, physiology means the functions of our body. The flowcharts, that means the functions we have to written in the flowchart form, so that we can get the more impression from the examiner. And as okay, so we will try to apply flowchart for all the concepts. Thank you all. So I repeat again. నేను flowchart ఫామ్లో ప్రతి పాయింట్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను. సో ఫ్లో చార్ట్ అనేది ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూకి చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. నేను నోట్స్ కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాను, మీరు క్లాస్ వింటే చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. బికాస్ ఎందుకంటే ఇదంతా ఒక ఫిజియాలజీ అనేది ఒక ప్రాసెస్ కాబట్టి. ఓకే, we will meet again tomorrow with the concept. Thank you all.